Are you feeling overwhelmed by debt and you are looking for a way to take control of your finance? Let's get started. I'm going to share 5 important steps to take to quickly pay off your debt and regain your financial freedom. Hi, I'm Oludare Fashola, your licensed insurance broker from Ontario, Canada. Here are the 5 steps to take to quickly pay off your debt and put yourself on the path of financial freedom. Number 1, assess your debts. Number 2, create a budget. Number 3, choose a debt repayment strategies. Number 4, increase your income. If you are looking to increase your income, tag Freedom on the comment below. I'm going to reach out to you to show you how you can increase your income. Number 5, stay motivated and track your progress. Now you know the steps to take to quickly pay off your debt. It is time for you to take action. Book a one-on-one consultation call with me to show you how you can pay off your debts and put yourself on the path of financial freedom.